Hello students, in this video we will discuss about equation of a plane passes through the intersection of two planes. Suppose here let P1 and P2 are given two planes where equation of plane P1 in the vector form P1 is R dot N 1 cap is equal to D1 N1 is equal to D1 and P2 so that R dot N2 is equal to D2. There are two planes and its intersection point, from the intersection point third plane, that means P3, which is denoted by the dotted lines, P3 passes through. Then we require that what is the equation of this plane P3. Let a point T whose position vector is T vector on the intersection line, then that point satisfy to the both planes, therefore plane first will be T dot N1 equal to D1 and T dot N2 equal to D2. Thus, for every real value of lambda, that means if we suppose lambda is a real value number, then both this plane, that means dotted plane, that means P3 plane, satisfied, value of lambda will be satisfied. Therefore, if we merge the both above equations, that means lambda into T1 dot N1 minus D1, lambda into T dot N1 plus T into N2 is equal to lambda dot D1 plus D2. I write here T vector taking as a common, then this will be N1 plus lambda into N2 plus this will be lambda into D2 equal to D1 plus lambda D2. Since this equation satisfied to the general points, therefore R dot N1 plus lambda N2 is equal to d1 plus lambda d2, and this equation represent the equation of a plane which is passes through the intersection line of both planes. That means this is the equation of P3 plane. In Cartesian, here n1 equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, sorry, b1 j cap plus c1 k cap, and n2 equal to a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap, where a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are the direction ratios of normal of planes p1 and p2, and r equal to vector r equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Therefore, we can express this r dot, that means x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap dot n1 plus lambda. N1 means a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap plus lambda into a2 I cap plus b2 j cap, sorry, this is the b1 j cap and this is the c1 k cap, plus lambda a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap is equal to d1 plus lambda d2. This will be x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap dot, taking common from common I, j and k, then this will be a1 plus a2 I cap plus b1 plus b2 j cap plus c1 plus c2, sorry, a1 plus lambda a2, b1 plus lambda b2 and c1 plus lambda c2 k cap is equal to d1 plus lambda d2. Now here, if we applying the product of a dot product in two vectors, therefore this will be a1 plus a2 lambda a2 x plus b1 plus lambda b2 into y plus c1 plus lambda c2 j, c1 plus c2 into z equal to d1 plus lambda d2. Now here, if we break this bracket, then this will be a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1 is equal to lambda a2x, taking as a common lambda, this will be a2, that means right here positive sign, this will be lambda a2 x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 equal to 0. This is the equation of a plane passes through the intersection point of two planes in the Cartesian form. Now in the next video we will discuss about angle between two planes.